Hello everyone and welcome back once again to my cooking channel. In this Ramadan, I will try to share iftar and sehri recipes with you all as much as I can. And today I am sharing a tempting and yummy iftar recipe, that is chicken shawarma, which is almost everyone's favorite in today's time. We can prepare restaurant style shawarma at home for iftar. Let's have a look on the recipe. Around 600 grams boneless chicken pieces I have taken here, nicely cleaned and washed. Adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it. Adding 1 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Adding some garam masala powder, that is half a spoon. Adding some piri piri powder. If you don't have this powder, you can skip it. It just enhances the taste. Half a spoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder and salt as per the taste. Mix all these ingredients well and just keep it marinated for around half an hour to 1 hour. It's very well marinated now. Let's cover and keep it. I have taken 2 medium sized onions chopped vertically and around 200 grams of finely chopped cabbage. Let's saute these two ingredients in a pan. Adding some oil, around 2 tablespoons. Add the chopped onions now. Just saute the onions for a while, only for 6 to 7 seconds. Adding some salt, very little salt. Now adding the chopped cabbage. We have to just saute these ingredients for 1 minute, not more than that, because we just want them to get dried and crunchy. Meanwhile, adding some peri peri powder to it. As I told that if you don't have, you can even skip it and add, instead of peri peri powder, you can add some black pepper powder. Adding around 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Just saute them together until the moisture goes off and it becomes dry and little crunchy. That's all. Let's switch off the flame now. And let's check our marinated chicken. It's been 1 hour since we have marinated. Now let's shallow fry the chicken into a pan. Add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil and add the chicken pieces to it and let's shallow fry it. This process takes around 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to grill the chicken in oven, you can do it, but since I feel easy to fry it in a pan, I am doing it. It's your choice whether to grill in an oven or to fry in a frying pan. Now the chicken is almost ready. Let's switch off the flame now. You can see how beautiful the chicken has turned out. Let's transfer the chicken into an open plate or vessel and let's cut it into further smaller pieces, smaller or tiny pieces. Because if the pieces are big, it will be difficult for you to fold the shawarma. That's why I am making the chicken into smaller pieces. Let's take shawarma bread, that is kubus. This is available in almost all supermarkets, all big supermarkets. If you want, you can easily prepare this kubus at home. I'll show in my some other video how to make this kubus at home. But now I have bought these ready-made kubus from supermarket. Let's heat the kubus in this way for 7 to 8 seconds. Both the sides. Let's heat it. Let's take a tissue paper and fold in this way. Let's place the kubus over it. Just spread the mayonnaise all over the kubus. Around 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise. Spread some tomato ketchup over the mayonnaise in this way. Spread equally. Add some French fries to it, around 4 to 5 French fries, and some chopped cucumber pieces. If you want, you can skip the French fries, but it tastes good if you add it. Now adding the cabbage and onion, and finally adding our fried chicken pieces to it. Now gently fold in this way, fold the hummus in this way, and just pack with the tissue paper like this tightly. Now our awesome yummy shawarma is ready for iftar. Like this you can prepare the shawarma at home in very less ingredients. No doubt everyone will go crazy over the shawarma. See you in my next video soon with one more interesting recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.